We'll guide you through how to change your name on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and so you want to go and change your name. Perhaps something's happened, like you've gone and got married, or perhaps you entered it incorrectly when you first set up your account, or you want to go and use a shortening of it. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what you can do is you can come to the bottom right or top right of Facebook and you can press profile. So you can then go and see my name at the top here, and that's what I want to go and change. Maybe you've gone and pressed edit profile. You've tried to go and see something about name, but you can't go and see it. So what you need to do is you need to come to the top left and go and press the 3 lines. This opens up this list of options. Scroll down, find settings and privacy and tap on it to expand it. And you can go and press settings at the top. It'll go and open up, and at the top you can go and see account center. What you can then do is go and tap on it. In account center, what you then need to do is you need to go and tap on profiles at the top, like so. You then go and see your different profiles here. Go and select the one that you want to go and change the name for. Go and wait for this to load. And we can now go and see the option for name, and we can go and tap on name. And now at the top here, you can go and enter in your first name and then your middle name and surname. So it's important to note as well, if you go and change your name, you can't change it for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation characters, or random words. So you could then go and type in. So let's go and say maybe we wanted to change it to Robert. I could then go and press next in the bottom right and press review change at the bottom. You can then go and preview your new name. And what you can then do when you're ready is go and press save changes at the bottom. And it will then go and be used, but you can't change it for 60 days.